friends, welcome back to my channel English with Dehati ma'am. Hope you are doing great, and this is Yashoda, and today Yashoda is busy in making Colocasia leaves curry. Yes friends, in today's vlog you will see how I made these Colocasia leaves curry. So friends, you can see there is a plate, okay, in this it is called platter, not plate. And this is a wok. In this wok there is a oil, refined oil, and in this platter there is grinded dal, grinded lentils, and this is called gram lentil. And in order to make Colocasia leaves curry, first we need to soak it. Yes friends, in order to make this thing, first I soaked this dal, this split overnight, and in the morning when I woke up after finishing all the work, after having showered, then first I grinded this split in my mixer and grinder, and after that I started making, and I added garlic, ginger, and chilies in pakoras, and little bit coriander powder and cumin powder and all the garam masala spices and red chilies. Yes, and after mixing this, and salt, and after mixing this, then I also decided to make some pakoras. So I don't know what do you call, okay, so because this is called different at some different places. And first I made this, and you can see the first slot, the color of the pakoras, this is called fritters, and Colocasia leaves fritters. And after making fritters, then I will make the curry. And so if you also want to know, and I also gave some of the pakoras to my father-in-law because he likes to have this, and all the chopped leaves which I have added in this dal, I made some fritters, like goal fritters, round fritters, because I was getting late. And you can see this slot, I will add these long fritters in curry, and the other one all the family members they will have. And this is sister-in-law, and she is helping me, and I was all alone, so she came and she helped me a lot. Actually my husband, he likes having these kind of items and curries, because we are vegetarian, we don't have any kind of non-veg thing, so he likes eating these kind of spicy items. And the taste of this Colocasia leaves curry is very tasty. My husband, he had, and I served to all my family members, and she was frying it, and at that very time I was grinding the paste, onion, garlic, ginger and chilies paste into the grindstone. This is my grindstone, means silbatta. And because there was power cut and light was not there, so I used my silbatta to grind, to make the paste, onion garlic paste. And because this paste I used in making curry, so she's still busy in frying, and soon all the fritters were cooked and fried. And then I transferred the oil into another bowl, and then I started making curry. And first I put the wok, and I added oil, mustard oil, and after adding mustard oil, then I waited for the oil to warm up, and then I added first cumin seeds, and then I added paste which I made on the grindstone because there was no power, no light, and I kept stirring it because, and these are the pakoras you can see, and my sister-in-law, she is busy in cutting the pakoras into small pieces because I will add these pieces into this curry. And these are the pakoras, and these pakoda all of us we will have, and you can see the length of the pakoras. Using a single leaf we make a single pakoda, and in order to make this, first we apply the dal on the full leaf, and you can see the color of the pakoras. And after this, when this onion and garlic started leaving oil, then I added some garam masalas and all types of masalas, spices like coriander powder and red chilies powder, and along with that garam masala, means all the spices powder, and this is coriander powder I added. Now I will add some water because it was burning. So in order to solve this problem, I added water, and now I will add all the masalas because the masalas, the spices started getting stick to the surface of the wok, and you can see. So actually the color of the curry is like this because I use homemade coriander, means turmeric powder, and this is sabji masala. And now I will wait for the masala to get ready, and when the masala and all the spices will be cooked properly, then I will add all the cooked pakoras, fritters, and I have to wait this, and this is called red chili powder. All the spices are homemade. I have made at home because everything is available here at our home, and there is only lack of like garam masala, so we purchase from the market these khade masale, then we grind it using our grinder, or if anyone doesn't have grinder, then they use grindstone. And now my masala is ready to add pakoras, and now I will add all the pakoras. I don't know how you will make different types of recipe using these colocasia leaves, but I will use these colocasia in different recipes. Colocasias, I also have colocasias vegetable, means arbi ki sabji, and means we can use this thing in different ways, and we can make it a different kind of delicious recipes, and all the family members, they enjoy this recipe. And you can see on the pastry board there are all the pakoras, and now I have added all the pakoras, and after adding the pakoras, then I added the water, the amount of the water which was required I added, and then I started kneading the dough. And because in the morning time all the members were waiting for the chapatis, so I started kneading the dough. And after making chapati, then I will serve this food to all members. And now you can see, now it's boiling. Now my sabji is ready to serve, and you can see the color and the texture. And I hope you like this recipe, and if you also want to make this, then just let me know and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.